Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to sign out from Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy S24 and Plus. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Before I start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit bell icon below. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's get started.